Alright, so now we're going to take the downpipe and we're going to try to get that up there and try to align it over here with the turbo at the same time. Alright, here's what we have so far. I got the tip installed, looking really nice. I'm gonna have to trim the pipe later on after I figure out exactly how I'm gonna place the tip and exactly how the exhaust is gonna align. Now I'm gonna go all the way from the front and start dealing with the downpipe again. Now I can go ahead and do the downpipe and then start aligning everything else. I'm not gonna tighten up fully, just a bit, and make sure everything's good below, nothing is touching, nothing's gonna be banging against anything. We just need a little bit to support it, and then the clamp can go on. There we go. And go ahead and tighten this just a bit, and then see what we have below. There we go. So yeah, I had to use a couple spacers here to make it fit pretty much the best possible. That way when I tighten everything, I can remove the sticks and it's going to be in the same spot. And there's also one more stick that I had to, right here underneath here where the hanger is. I pretty much put a spacer, 1-inch spacer piece of wood between the hanger and the little shield panel, shield plate. That way I'm going to leave it all here until I finish the whole exhaust, tighten everything up. That way there's going to be nothing hitting against anything. Now I'm going to go ahead, readjust everything, tighten the whole exhaust, and then we'll show you the final result, and then of course start it up. All right, so there you guys have it. 7.3 has a 5-inch straight pipe, no muffler, no cats, and it sounds so much better. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the comments, let me know what you think. So obviously, as you can tell, I did a nose swap as well. If you guys are interested to see that video, I got the link down below for that as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in the next one.